Hi, and welcome to the demo video for Done For You Hero. We are offering over 100 Done For You websites, sales pages, squeeze pages, e-com stores, and blogs. So let's go ahead and just jump right in. When you log in, you're going to come to your dashboard. On your dashboard, there are several options here. One is My Sites, which when you first start will be empty because you haven't created any sites yet. There's Add a New Site, and then there is the Monetization Training. We're going to go ahead and just jump right into Add a New Site. When we click on the button to add a new site, we are brought to the templates page. Here, you are able to choose the right template for the type of website or pages that you're building. There is this menu here along the top, or you can just scroll down and look for just what is appealing to you. So we'll go ahead and choose one. I like this one. You're able to view the template before, or you can just select. In this case, I am going to select, and we're going to build our site. After we have chosen the site that we want to build, we need to put in some information. This one can be my great site. That can be the URL. It says great site. And then the language you're able to choose. For the purpose of this video, I am going to keep it with English, and then we just add a site. Okay, we have chosen our site, we've named it, and then we are brought into the My Sites page that I mentioned here. And this is the site that we just built, and we're going to go and take a look at it now. And here's the site that we built. It only took a few seconds to do, and we can take a look and see everything that is on here. It comes fully ready to go. Everything is here. All you need to do is customize it. So whether you are building a site for yourself or for a client, all you need to do is go in and make this site your own or your customer's own. Just do it through easy customization. It's very easy and simple to do. This is how simple it is to use Done For You Hero. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.